Hey friends from all over the world. Today we are in Kenya and we are visiting Masinga Dam, which is overspilling, and you can see how water flows. It's overflowing. Yeah, it's one of the biggest dams in East Africa. So stay tuned. Soon I'll be going to this dam to collect some news and some good pictures for you. So stay tuned and subscribe. Soon I'll be bringing you the very beautiful scenery about this place, about this overspilling, overflowing of water from the Masinga Dam in Kenya, Embu. In 2 days I'll be going there, so I just want you to stay tuned so that I bring you some good news from this side. Thank you for always being on my side watching my videos.
My heart rages around like an ocean in